At the very bottom of our planet, there is a place humans are not meant to explore freely. A continent larger than Europe, covered in miles of ice, locked away behind treaties, military patrols, and extreme conditions. This place is Antarctica. And what if it's not empty? What if the ice isn't hiding nothing, but hiding everything? Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and most isolated place on Earth. No permanent cities, no native population, no commercial access. And yet, more than 50 countries operate research bases there, all under a single agreement known as the Antarctic Treaty. Officially, Antarctica is for science only. No mining, no weapons, no military activity. But here's the question that makes people uncomfortable. Why protect a frozen desert so aggressively? Satellite images reveal strange anomalies beneath the ice. Perfect geometric shapes, massive structures buried thousands of meters deep, heat signatures where there should only be cold. Some areas are warmer than expected, almost as if something below the ice is generating energy. Ancient maps make things even stranger. Maps drawn hundreds of years ago, long before Antarctica was discovered, show a landmass at the South Pole, not frozen, but green, with rivers, mountains, and coastlines. How did ancient civilizations know what was there? One theory suggests Antarctica was once a lost advanced civilization, a civilization that existed before recorded history. Some link it to Atlantis, a technologically advanced society said to have vanished suddenly. What if it didn't sink? What if it froze? In 1946, the U.S. Navy launched Operation High Jump. Officially, it was a training mission. Unofficially, it involved thousands of troops, aircraft carriers, and advanced equipment. The mission ended early, abruptly, with casualties and almost no explanation. Admiral Richard Byrd later hinted that the expedition encountered something unexpected, something powerful, something capable of flying from pole to pole at incredible speed. That's when the portal theories begin. What if Antarctica isn't just land, but a gateway? A weak point in reality, a place where dimensions overlap. Some researchers believe Antarctica sits on powerful energy lines, similar to ley lines. These energy concentrations could distort space and time, creating natural portals. Not science fiction portals, but real, unstable openings between realities. Pilots have reported strange compass behavior near the South Pole, navigation systems failing, time discrepancies, visual distortions. Some claim to have seen landscapes that didn't belong on Earth, green valleys, unfrozen land, as if they briefly crossed into another world. There are also rumors of ancient structures beneath the ice, pyramidal shapes, not random mountains, but symmetrical, precise, almost engineered, too perfect to be natural. Then there's the issue of restricted zones. Even scientists aren't allowed to explore certain areas. No explanation given, no research papers published, just off limits. Why? Some believe Antarctica is being guarded, not from humans entering, but from something escaping. What if the ice is not a barrier to protect us, but a seal to contain what lies beneath? Others suggest Antarctica is a meeting point, a neutral zone, where non-human intelligence interacts with governments, a place far from civilians, far from cameras, and impossible to reach without permission. Now imagine this, a portal beneath the ice, not constantly open, but activated under specific conditions: solar activity, magnetic alignment, cosmic events, moments when reality thins and doorways open. If such portals exist, where do they lead? Parallel Earths, higher dimensions, other star systems, or futures we were never meant to see? Hollywood has played with these ideas for decades: hidden worlds, ancient beings, gateways at the poles. But what if movies aren't inventing the idea? What if they're preparing us for it? Governments don't deny the mystery, they simply avoid the conversation. No press conferences, no explanations, just silence. And silence is often louder than denial. The most unsettling thought is this: Antarctica is melting slowly, and as the ice recedes, whatever is buried there will not stay buried forever. So what is Antarctica? A frozen wasteland, a lost civilization, a dimensional gateway, a prison, a portal to other worlds, or all of them at once? Maybe Antarctica isn't the edge of the world. Maybe it's the door, and the ice is the lock.